This was even faster than 10 minutes, I thought. Friends, thank you so much, guys, for coming to. We're starting with 4 sticks of soft butter, aka room temperature. Okay. Now we add in 3 cups of light brown sugar and 1 cup of regular granulated sugar, aka table sugar. Okay, so that's the next step. And then okay, in goes vanilla extract, in goes 4 eggs. We are still mixing everything together. Yes. It's a very rich sugar, rich butter, rich delicious cookie. So it's happening. We're adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're adding baking soda, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then one teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of 2 teaspoons. What am I saying? 2 teaspoons, guys. Please forgive me. Oh my goodness, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, as we're adding the flour to this, please remember to be very careful so you don't flour your face and the whole kitchen. Just put it on low for the meantime, and then mix everything together, and then when everything is mixed together, now it's time for the fun part. Guess what? Belgian demi sweet chocolate chips. Yes, it's happening, guys. Oh my goodness, I love this chocolate. You shot the aroma. You don't even need no vanilla in this. No vanilla is needed, but guess what? Hey, we must be extra. It's a delicious cookie. You don't need to eat much of it, but a little goes a long way. Okay, so mix everything together, and then we're gonna put it into a bowl, into a large bowl. Yeah, as you can see, it's very soft. My whole finger is like ooey gooey. It's very, very soft. Remembering we are working with a lot of butter, so there's no surprise to that. We have to store it in the refrigerator for it to harden up, for the whole thing to melange and marry each other after about 2 hours. But it's even more delicious after a day, after 3 days even. Yes, yum. Yeah, you just leave it longer, and you can actually store it in the freezer for 3 months. So you see the difference between the new dough and the old one that has been in the fridge. It's the new one still looking light and soft, and the old one that's been in the fridge, the real one we're going to bake with, is now looking dark and beautiful and strong and good to go and easy to mold also. Okay, I scoop them into a tray, and then after I just mold them into a round shape because I want it to be a perfect cookie for me. Yes, why not? Oh my goodness, you first of all leave it please in the fridge to harden up a little bit, because now the butter you've touched it, the butter is a bit softer again. Keep it back in the fridge for it to harden up, and then from the fridge straight into the oven. Yes, straight we go into the oven. I preheated the oven to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, and I baked it for about 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, check it should be golden brown at the edges. Don't wait for it to be too brown, or you're going to bake some very, very dark cookies. So as far as it's a little bit golden brown, as it cools and it oxidizes and it becomes really, really browner. So don't leave it too long in the oven. So as 8 minutes, you can start smelling the cookie. Actually, you just peep, look how far you are, and if it's a little brown, just bring it out. Babies. Okay, now let's go and put it on a dry rod. He goes. This is a happy girl. It's still very soft though. I don't want to destroy my own cookie that I suffered.